Alright, y'all, welcome back to Sincerely Ramis. Right now, I'm walking to Moon Tower Inn to have some lunch. Take y'all with us.
Some cheese on it.
Y'all, here's the food. It looks good. I got some lasagna tacos, cauliflower, cheese, cilantro, corn, and a whole bunch of other stuff. And then, what is that? A burger. And then she has a burger. Enjoy. It looks good. It's good. Let me bite it. Y'all know I'm not supposed to have a burger, but your girl's gonna have it. Your girl's gonna have a bite. I want to get a bite with everything. That's good.
No, I didn't like cheese.
Y'all, she's sweet. That's good. That's a.
I just needed a slice of cheese.
Yeah, that's the cheeseburger. That's good. Tell me you want cheese. Oh, good. Oh, y'all, this also has black beans in it as well. This is good, but it's not giving. Especially after I bit her burger. That burger doesn't give me mad flavor. It's good, but it's like giving me like that grilled taste and all that.
I want another bite of this.
That was real good. That bite with the sauce was good.
What kind of sauce you got on? Probably the same sauce on my burger.
Y'all, whenever me and her go out to eat, we just share the food because my little baby something. I'm gonna take 2 more bites and I'm finished.
There's something in here I don't like.
So yeah, y'all. I think the food's pretty good.
I told him no more. Is that that one?
It's not mayonnaise.
What is it?
I don't know, but it's not mayonnaise. May I have a napkin, please? Thank you. So to me, her burger is a 10 out of 10. My taco was like 6. It's good, but it's just not. It's not. I don't know. Maybe it's just not matching the mood. Like I said, I ate it after I tasted her burger, so maybe that. I'm gonna digest my food so I can have something to drink later. Put my little time on. I can't drink nothing for 30 minutes. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Sincerely Ramis. If you are new here, please make sure you subscribe. Welcome to the gang. So today I just decided to vlog. I'm going to be helping my friend or just accompanying her apartment shopping. But I wanted to get on camera to show y'all something that I purchased as a recommendation from another YouTuber. Her name is Janine. I found her from Lily Yours Truly's channel. I guess they're friends. When Lily came to Houston, they were hanging out, and I started watching her from that. And y'all, she's one of us. She's one of us girls whose personalities is in the middle. So like, you know, the girl that could get a little hood, but she not ratchet, but she not bougie, but you know, she lives a luxurious lifestyle. That's us, you know. That's our community here. You know, she's in the likes of like Lily and also kind of like Glamazante, you know, like just normal girls, but just live a luxurious lifestyle. We live the life we want. Yeah, so she's one of us. So I love her, y'all. Check her channel out. But she also is one of us in the manner of she loves to save a coin, okay? So she recommended this 2-piece set that she purchased from TJ Maxx, and I went and got it, y'all. So I'm about to put it on and stuff and show y'all, but I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like before I put it on. So it's like this, not mint green, but it's like a little, yeah, I would just say a mint green color. The set was $24.99, but y'all, it's curvy girl friendly, and y'all know I had a BBL or whatever. I ain't really got much hips, but I do got that ass, you know, a little bit for me. But y'all, I'm sorry y'all, this lighting right here is not good. Y'all know downstairs lighting in my apartment is trash. Then they had this BB dress in this green color, for $30, y'all. Super cute. I'm gonna see what it's giving. It's long too. So yeah, I'm gonna see what it's giving. I got it in a size small. Your girl lost 40 pounds. Yo, I'm all out of frame. Your girl lost 40 pounds recently, so I'm slim and trim or whatever. But I haven't really gotten into the details of that yet on my channel, but I'm coming, y'all, I'm coming. I got the tea for the girls, About to blow y'all minds, Just wait on it. So, let me put this outfit on, because I really have to hurry up and go. It's 11:15, y'all, and she told me to be there by 11:30. That girl lives 20 minutes away. Let me hurry up. BRB. I'm gonna come back when I'm fully dressed, I think. Just hold on. Okay, guys, here's what the fit is giving. It is super snug, like she said. Hug the body, and it is seamless, y'all. But here's how I'm looking as of now. Yeah. But yeah, let me hurry up and get ready. I think I'm about to put this sweater on that I still enjoy. Well, I didn't really steal it. I'm just gonna borrow it. So, what is that noise? Yeah, let me finish getting ready. I'll see y'all when I get outside. Why'd I do that? Y'all, I made it with Melissa and Andrew. Now, let me tell y'all, I was so hesitant to come with these hoes because I don't like driving in the car with people. You know, when you're ready to go, and you know, and not only that, they got me in the back seat. I feel like I'm hot, like I'm held hostage. It just gives me so much anxiety. But y'all, we here seeing apartments because they trying to move. What's the name of these apartments? We at the Phoenician.
Wait, so he said in the back of the back.
That's what she said. Keep going. Oh, it say visitor parking.
Oh no, we are not walking
right here.
Melissa ain't that bad. Calm down.
My nigga.
I'm sure we can cut through. Melissa never want to walk nowhere.
Lazy. Big body gal never want to move it.
Never want blood clot move, but if the pussy I can't try to move.
Run. Go run. Run.
Lotion spill all in my bag.
Melissa, that's your Melissa, it's your thing. You know when you turn your wheel, you make it like an ant. Is it the braid?
So why you handing me your purse?
Y'all clearly don't know how to park.
So yeah, we're about to go inside. I'll bring y'all in there in a minute. BRB. Well, I need my ID. we're about to leave the, what is it called?
The
Tuscany, something like that. And y'all, the reviews here is like 2.4, and they say they got roaches. The man, well, the man here, we were about to view him, and we told him we didn't like how the pool and all of that stuff looked. So he tried to send us to some other place, and they had roaches. And all in the reviews, the people was talking trash about them. So yeah, we finna go somewhere else. Y'all, I don't know if y'all can see that right there, but this lady drove her car over the freaking ledge at McDonald's. I'm here getting a frappe, and this is what I see. Can y'all see that?